In my project, I mainly create 4 components. The first one, gesture recognition. The second one, emergency manager. The third one, care staff. And the fourth one, upload. I implement these 4 components and I use the PRG remote to register components in the SI server. And next, I will run 4 components. The first one, recognition, which contains a small group input gestures. The second one, which is the super component in our system. And the home care staff, which is component to receive messages from the emergency manager. And the fourth one, folder, which is an advertiser and send emails to her. So on the gesture side, we will first detect different gestures. So first, like this gesture, we detect this gesture, then we input another gesture. If these 2 gestures occurs consecutively, we will detect a help gesture and then send the message to the emergency manager, and the emergency manager will send the message to the home care staff, and the home care that we need to call the patient. And gesture recognition, if we input the help gesture, like we input these 2 gestures, we will detect another help gesture, and then on the emergency side, we see that we multiple help messages, and then we will convert it to an emergency message to the home care staff, and on the home care staff, we will receive a visit message, and we need to visit the patient. In the third case, we can input this gesture. This gesture says that the patient is in emergency. So if the patient holds this gesture for a long time, in our simulation, input this gesture for 3 times, and we an emergency gesture, and then we send this to her, and we will receive a visit message. We need to send this message to home care staff, and on the home care staff, we receive and know that it is an emergency, and we will visit the patient. And uploader, we will receive the different message and send this message to the user. So in this project, I use my email as an example. We receive a help message, and next we receive an emergency message which is generated by multiple help messages. And the third one is directly an emergency